Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls on your soundbar JBL. In the first one we have a power button here. Just press to turn on your soundbar and just press again to turn off it. Next one, we have a minus button or lower the volume, so just click here and as you can see I just lower it and again I lower it again. Next one is to increase volume, the plus button, so just click again one time and just increase the volume. And the last one is to change source right here. So right now I have BT, what means Bluetooth, and just click here to swap between these sources. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!